need of some steering adapters for your steering wheel because it somehow won't fit onto your column, you're in the right place and you clicked on the right video. I'm reviewing a couple steering adapters that you can buy on Amazon, and when I bought them, they were about 12 bucks a piece. What they are now, I don't know, but I'll link it right down in the description. Click on that link, it'll bring you right to the Amazon link. These are steering adapters, and therefore a 5-bolt, a 6-bolt, and a 3-bolt system. Unfortunately, they don't work with old Volkswagens. So this is the old Volkswagen steering wheel off of my Super Beetle, which I turned into an MG. And essentially, the 6-bolt pattern on the Volkswagen steering is different than what comes on the adapters. The adapters are much more common steering wheels, or universal steering wheels as they like to call them. And they're made by a company called Forever Sharp on Amazon. Once again, it's linked down in the description. You can take any 3-bolt system for steering wheel, which is not super uncommon, it is pretty universal, and you can use these 3 bolts and then reattach a different steering wheel on top. I actually bought 2 of these things because I wasn't sure if I wanted a black one or a chrome one for my MG, and I knew that I had a wooden steering wheel that I wanted to install with a 5-bolt system. So you could essentially go on the back from a 6-bolt system to the front with a 5-bolt, or vice versa, flip it around, use the 3-bolt however you might want. It does have areas for things like wiring for a horn or a kill switch if you're on a go-kart or something like that, and that's honestly perfect too. But you can pick between this and black online on Amazon. So let me show you on the MG how it looks, just for comparison. So this right here is how it looks, and this once again is the 5-bolt system with the new steering wheel attached. I had to then create this adapter, which is this black piece I'm touching right now, and that's to go from the Volkswagen steering column to the adapter, which is right back here. And so that adapter essentially serves the purpose of going from a 3-bolt system, which I have inside, to the 5-bolt system, which is on the steering wheel currently. And once again, it is black. I spray painted the outside a little bit because I gacked it a few times. However, it does really well. And the threads inside these things are actually fairly strong. I believe they're a metric fine thread. They do awesome, and I was able to thread in these bolts no problem. And it looks pretty sharp, regardless if it's a $12 part. So once again, if you're looking for a steering adapter from 5, 6, or 3-bolt systems for your steering wheel, this is a perfect universal one that you can go online and buy. Definitely check how far away your bolts are, because that can determine whether this is going to be super useful to you or may not fit at all. However, click the link down in the description. That'll bring you right to the Amazon site where I bought them, and you can get a couple or one for yourself for your project.